Hello guys, my name is Veronica, and I wanted to come on here just to show you some pendulums that I myself create. And here's a few of them. Now, the reason why I want to show it to you guys is because it's unique, and I've gone to events, spirituality events and such, and they would look at it like, wow, this is so unique. I have not seen anybody done this before, so I wanted to come on here to show everybody else so they can have the opportunity to buy it themselves if they like. So here's one black obsidian with bees. It's a nice design. What I do is I like to do the designs down here, the crystal down here, so the weight can just all distribute down here. And this is not too heavy. This is where mostly the weight comes. And then when you do it, it still gives you the results. People may not know this, how pendulum works or how they, function. So they're dowsings, and they give you yes or no and maybe. Now, for me, my personal experience, all pendulums that I have used gives me the same direction of answers, yes, no, maybe. And I resonate with pendulums so much. I was like, you know what, let me go and spice it up, let me give it a little bit of something to make it pop and make it more unique and make it my own, because I'm an artist. I love creating crafts, artworks, you name it. I mean, you can see it in my Instagram, on my Facebook, and I'm starting to show more on my YouTube channel. Now, what I like is give it personality. Give it something to make it pop. And like, for example, this one right here, look at this. There's another black obsidian, but it has a nice crystal right in the middle of it with a little star on top. Now that itself gives you like, wow, I should put this as a decoration more so than the dowsing. And you can if you want. So I've had people come to my events and tell me, I'll just take two, one for decor, for people to use it amongst each other because it's so pretty to use, and the second one to use it for their personal use for whatever reason. So they have that one more stored, more private, more put aside. Now, there's also themes that I do, like the one you just saw was a bee, and this one has more of the evil eye. This is a tiger eye, so it's all spiritual protection. So I like not only to use the color to make it pop, like this black obsidian with the green, but I also like to use the crystal, what's its meaning, what's its spiritual purpose, and then use any pendant or anything that contributes or enhances that meaning. Now, how I view it, and I've told this to many of my customers and clients, that why I do this. Now, pendulums is very personal. Pendulum is something that you put your energy, you resonate with it, you call it. And it feels like it responds to you more. It's like an attachment to you. Now, if there's something that captivates you more, such as the decor, like for example, if you have a totem that's a bee, this is perfect for you. Or a turtle, here's another one, a turtle, more of the sea theme, also there. Then I also have one that is the lotus. Here's the lotus with the howlet blue turquoise. What it does, it brings you in more. It makes it become almost its own entity. It makes it become more of its personality. It has now personality. It has something to offer. You not only love the crystal, that's why you buy it. You love the dowsing, that's why you buy it. But now it has art, and now it has like a personality to it, and that just brings you in. It lures you in. And here's another one that's in a black obsidian that has the evil eye, but it's different appeal. It has a different look to it. It's a black obsidian. This is a tiger. You see, they have a little bit of a difference. This one's more of a silver style. This one's a gold style. And I just sell them for $28. Now, on my website, I do have the option for you to make your own. So you have the option of like the crystal, the base, the color, like what do you want, the gold chain, the silver chains? Did you want the hoop or the teardrop, which I have this. You have the teardrop, you know. Do you want the star? Do you want the crescent? You see, the crescent, or the star, the sun. I'm sorry, the sun. The star is actually this one. You see, and then of course the gemstone in the middle. Like, how do you want it designed? Now, I know some people love their crystal they already have. Some may have already a lot of them at home, and they just don't want to part with it. They just don't want to add an addition to it because they just seem to have too many. I am wanting to offer, and that's something that I would love for you guys to email me directly or even call me if that's something you want to do. Now, I don't mind custom making your existing pendulums. For example, like if you have the black obsidian and you just absolutely love it at home, or you have this uniqueness that you have, a unique pendulum at home, but it's just a string attached, and you want to like to spice it up and give it some more personality, you can contact me and we can look into what you might be interested in. Maybe something that is already existing that you might like. You just say, hey, I want something that just put this same one on my pendulum that I'm going to send you. We can do that. You can custom at my website. I also sell these on my website, and I also go to events. So if you're on my Facebook, on my events, you'll see all the places I'll be going. You literally can, if you live in Florida, you can actually meet me and you can give me the pendulum and tell me, hey, I would love for you to spice this up and give it some theme. I already know what I want. Here you go. Now, that you can do, so no shipping has to be involved. I do just require you to pay for the shipping when I send it back to you guys, to you. That's something that you can do if you like, or if you want to go in person and look at the options of the pendulums that I already currently have in stock or created, you can do that too. So right now I have amethyst, lapis, rose quartz, green aventurine, smoky quartz, halite, blue turquoise, and I think I have a little more extra. I just don't have it in my view. And also, let me just show you another one. This was absolutely adorable. You know, you have your bee, a bee here, and a flower in the middle, and then a little sparkle here. You know, and it's tigerized, so it kind of goes with the flow of the color. So it's just something that I wanted to share. I find that people say this is super unique, super cool. I really like it. I want to get one for just this and this. I'm going to share it to other people because this is like different. I've never seen anybody who does this with pendulums. So yeah, this is something that I want to share amongst everybody on the internet to see if you guys may be interested in customizing yours or your existing one, or get one customized, or if you like already what's there you go. Now, again, my website is divinespiritualvetos.com. My email, my phone number, everything's on there. You can always contact me. I have all the links to my social media, so you're able to see what I do, where I'm at, or anything new that I have made will be posted on Instagram first and then forward on. I'm going to share with you because I've heard people say, wow, this is different, this is unique, and I never saw this before. So I thought, I took it upon myself to go on YouTube and share this to you. I hope you like it. I hope that interests you to want to customize your stuff. If you can possibly please share and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below over these pendulums. I really want to hear from you what you think of these beautiful, unique pendulums, because I adore them. I know people love them. They simply can't get enough. I've gone to, just to give you an example, I've gone to an event. I had 60 unique art pendulums. This just different, nothing the same. 60 of them. I came back home after my show only with 6. I didn't even have enough time to put them on the website. I didn't have enough time to broadcast it. They go like hotcakes, and I'm like, how am I supposed to broadcast this on the website when I'm always selling them out? Like, they're always going out of the shelf or getting sold fast. So I wanted to come here to show you because I'm going to go to an event this weekend, and I don't know how many I'm going to come back with. So I just want to. I do have on my website most of this uploaded, as already done, completed, and you can purchase that. I put that aside. Even if I went to the event, I see that you get it, I'll put it aside. And if I do sell it, I can always replicate it too for you. So that's something that I wanted to share with you. Again, I thank you for your time. I thank you for watching. I really enjoy making this, and I hope you enjoy enough to want to have one of your own, because it's very pretty. It's very unique, and I adore it so much. I have several people who had bought it already, and they say that, wow, it's really working. Like, it's more powerful in the spiritual sense of yes, no, maybe. Like, the answers are much more powerful than the actual plain ones. And I'm not saying they don't work, they do, but because this is super unique, and you can resonate with them a lot more, because let's say your totem is B, you feel connected more to this than the plain one that just has a tiger eye, because the bees represent your totem. So it becomes more personal, becomes more unique, and you, most of the time, you're probably going to only have this unique kind than anybody else. So the answers are stronger, you know. So if you ever wanted to try it, you can always come and visit me at these events. I do have them all posted on Facebook. You just go to my events. You can go in person, try it out, see if you like it, see if, test it out. I always welcome anybody to test these out and see how much answer it gives you versus a plain one. And I'm not downing the ones that are being sold as plain. I'm just saying that I'm bringing more to the table, basically, with this artwork, with something that really sings to you. All right, well, I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think, like what kind of themes that you want me to bring to the table, what kind of, if you have any questions, I definitely, I would love to answer any of it. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and see you on the next video.